Today's 1-minute tip is going to focus on setting alerts that are movable, alerts that will follow a trend line, a channel, a line in a fork, or whatever. We're used to setting alerts by right-clicking in the margin and saying create alert, and you can you set it for multiple triggers, and it will basically just set an alert which is a flat line. But what if you want to set an alert that moves, and it moves as the candles move in relation to another object, like a trend line? So you just saw, maybe you didn't see there, but my alert moved from up here, because that's where the trend line was for this candle, to now down here, because that's where the trend line is for this 5-minute candle. So the alert is going to move every 5 minutes in relation to this trend line. And what you're going to see in your alert box is it's going to say that it was on your 5-minute bar size. Your signal was the trend line. I called it trend line. I gave it that name. And price crosses the trend line. The way you do it is you take your trend line and right-click on the trend line. Right-click on the trend line and say create alert. And it will ask you if you want it to cross the trend line or cross above or cross below. And then you can also set the multiple triggers. This also works for channels, and it will ask you if you want to set it on the top channel or the bottom channel. So it's very cool, very, very powerful, and something I just discovered today.